When you need to combine data from multiple cells into a single cell, there are different ways depending on what you need. The simplest way of joining cell contents is to use the ampersand symbol. Select the cell where you want to put the combined text. Type =, then select the cell that contains the first text you want to combine. Then type ampersand, quotation marks, space, quotation marks, ampersand, with a space enclosed in quotation marks. Select the next cell with text you want to combine and press Enter. Instead of the ampersand, you can also use the CONCAT function. Select the cell where you want your combined data to be. Type =CONCAT, open parenthesis, and then select the cell with the data you want to combine first. In the formula, a comma is used to separate the cells or string that you want combined. To add a space between the string, include a space enclosed in quotation marks. If you need something different than a space, add whatever text you want between the quotation marks. You can make your formula as simple or complicated as you want. Close your formula with a parenthesis and press Enter. Now you can duplicate that formula to other cells and quickly combine a lot of data.